Remove the chain from the chainring. Using a 6 mm Allen key, remove the pinch bolts holding the cranks.
By chunks
Using a crank removal tool, remove the cranks.
I'm swimming. My heart still thumps as I bleed. I know your friends come sniffing. Triangles are my favorite shape. 3 points where 2 lines meet. Toe to toe, back to back, let's go. My love is very late till morning comes. Let's desolate.
Using the appropriate bottom bracket removal tool, remove the bottom bracket.
And keep my all lovely you. I'll breathe stones alone.
Clean out any old grease from the thread using an old cloth and WD-40.
Keep alone my heart. 3 guns and 1 goes off. One's empty, one's not quick enough. 1 burn, 1 red, 1 green. Sets a grace while the candles spin.
Apply new grease to the thread.
We'll sink down to seals, blubber rich in morning. I'll mash you up, yeah.
Install the new bottom bracket.
Say, you will still haunt me.
The larger piece goes in from the drive side and the thread is opposite.
3 points where 2 lines meet. Toe to toe, back to back, let's go, my lord.
Ensure that it is going in straight by checking it is centered from the other side.
Let's desolate.
Apply new grease to the spline, then put the cranks back on.
To photo, to record me, lumps and war. They run test as his chance. Oh, very yellow white flash. A violent red Christmas whips light as live like grass. But so high from the leak avalanche, mine is a watery pit. Painless with immense distance, from medic, from colleague, friend, enemy, foe. In 5 years from his leg, from him to do not spray into
Wipe off any excess grease.
my eyes. Last rattle, last chokes. All colors and cares, glazed to grey, shriveled and stricken to dots. The left hand